Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to always open Opera GX browser in private mode on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first locate Opera GX desktop shortcut icon, then right click on it, select Properties in the pop-up menu, and then switch to this one Shortcut tab, then place your cursor under target box and go to the end of the text, put one space, then put two times hyphen and then write private. After that, click on this one apply button, then click on this one OK button. Now, whenever you will double click on this one shortcut of Opera GX, it will automatically open in private mode. In case you want to pin it to the taskbar, select this one desktop shortcut and drag it to the taskbar. When you see link, just lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the taskbar. Now you can also open in incognito mode by clicking on its icon on the taskbar like this.